In this video, we will be going through a 4-step process that will help you start making money as a Clickbank affiliate in no time. And if you stay to the end, I will be sharing with you a bonus that will help you market your affiliate product with the best free traffic source. Becoming an affiliate is not as complicated as it might seem. It requires some effort and knowledge, but the rewards are worth it. So before we go any further, I'm Trevor, and on my channel, I share methods, tips, and ideas that can help you start making money online. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So the first thing we're going to do is create a Clickbank account. The first step to becoming a Clickbank affiliate is to sign up for your free account. Once you have created your account and confirmed with your email address, you will be prompted to enter the Clickbank registration code that was emailed to you when you registered for the program.
Now, once you get successfully logged in on your Clickbank account, you're going to go right over here into the affiliate marketplace. You're going to tap that. And then over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see all these niches that you can go into, general niches. And so, for example, let's just say you want to do home and garden. Then you'll see down sub niches inside of that niche subject. And then we're just going to click on animal care and pets just for this example. So I went ahead and zoomed it in for you guys so you guys can see. So once you get logged in into that affiliate marketplace, it's going to bring you here. And then on this page, you will be able to see all of these products that you can simply promote on Clickbank. Okay, and then you can simply promote it just by pressing this blue button. And you can also go to the affiliate page itself by clicking on this affiliate link right here. But once you find a product that you want to promote, you just simply press promote. But before we do that, we're going to sort it by gravity.
Well, what is gravity? The gravity gives you an indication of the product's sales and popularity. It can also tell you what extent the competition is with others who may be promoting the same product.
Which is the top selling products that people are having success with. And so right here, just for this example, let's just say we wanted to promote this one right here. You would simply press that promote button. You would have your affiliate name right here, which is your account name, your affiliate name, and then you would just press generate hop link. And this would be the link that you would need right here to promote and be able to have people hop back over and be able to buy this product. In order to promote your link, what you want to do is you want to go over to Bitly. So that's bit.ly. And what Bitly is, it's just a URL shortener. Okay. But the reason why we're using Bitly is because we want to be able to see how many people click our link, okay, during that day and time, or whenever, whether we're asleep or not, how many people is actually clicking from where we are promoting our product. So we're going to go ahead and get started for free right here. And all you have to do is go to the get started username. You're going to give yourself an email and password, and then you're going to press sign up with email. Now, once you get signed up inside of Bitly, all you would have to do is go over here to the create section. Remember that link that we had earlier, our hop link? All we have to do is paste our hop link right here that we wanted to promote, and then we would press create. And then what happens is Bitly shortens our link, which is the new link, which is right here. And it also gives us a title if it's familiar with where that link is coming from. So as you can see, it already put brain training for dogs, and you can rename this whatever you want. You can just erase whatever you don't want inside that hop link, but that's what we're going to use. And then we're just going to press copy, which is right here at the top. We're going to copy that link right there. And so as you guys can see, one of the best places to promote your affiliate products is TikTok. And what happens is that link that we had created on Bitly, so we can see our traffic and how many people are actually clicking through our link, you will be able to create your TikTok just like this. And you really don't even have to show your face, guys, as you can see here. Now, this is a dog TikTok account, and you don't see really a face of anyone except the animal itself, right? And so all you would do is that link that you had right there, all you would do is paste it inside of your TikTok just like this. And when people click on that link, they would go straight into the Clickbank product that you're trying to promote. So just for example, as you can see, once we click that link, it took us to her Instagram right here. So just the same exact way, you would be putting your link inside of the TikTok, and it will take people exactly where you want them to go. Also, the more times you post a day, the more viewers and followers that you would get on TikTok. So that right there just covered our bonus for the best free traffic source to boost your sales.
Number 4, get paid for any affiliate sales. There are many affiliate networks that allow members to promote products and get paid for any sales. This is a great way to make money, especially if you have a blog or website that gets a lot of traffic. Some of the best affiliate networks for beginners are ShareASale, Clickbank, and Rakuten Marketing. These networks have been around for years and have been proven to be a reliable source of income. Now that brings us to the end of this tutorial. So if you like this video and you think you're going to give it a try, make sure you give this video a like and write down in the comments section what you like best. And as always, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications because you're not going to want to miss any of my upcoming videos showing you ways to make money online. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I'm going to holler at y'all later.